Welcome to Part 120 of Daily English. Today's topic: Natural English Expressions Review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 12. Nice to meet you. Example: Nice to meet you. I hope we can be friends. No problem. Example: Thanks for your help. No problem. Sounds good. Example: Let's meet after work. Sounds good. I'm just looking. Example: Thank you. I'm just looking today. Hang on. Example: Hang on. I'll check for you. Take care. Example: Take care. See you next week. It depends. Example: Will you come tomorrow? It depends. Absolutely. Example: Can you help me? Absolutely. Not really. Example: Do you enjoy horror movies? Not really. Mini conversation. Anna: Hi, Ben. Nice to meet you again. Ben: Nice to see you too. How have you been? Anna: Great. Let's have lunch together tomorrow. Ben: Sounds good. I'll let you know the time later. Anna: Perfect. Take care. Daily tip. Excellent work. You now know many natural English expressions that native speakers use every day. Instead of using only simple words like yes, no, or okay, try expressions like absolutely, sounds good, it depends, and no problem to sound more confident and natural. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're meeting a new friend, making plans together, shopping, asking someone to wait, and saying goodbye. Use as many expressions from this unit as possible. Speak for at least 1 minute using at least 10 sentences. Congratulations on finishing Unit 12. You've completed 120 daily English lessons. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.